Hey everybody, thank you so much for joining me today. Today I have the Fall 2021 FabFitFun box. So let's check it out and see what's inside. Here we go. At the top we have some coupons in the FabFitFun magazine. Some more coupons. This one's from HelloFresh. I love HelloFresh. I'm going to put a link to one of my unboxing and meal preparing so you can check that out and see if it's something you'd like to try. And here is a look inside my fall box. So let's see which each of these items are. One thing that has changed about FabFitFun is that if you're an annual member, you can customize everything in the box. So you have several items to choose from and you can choose your favorite from that group, and you can even add more for an additional cost. All right, the first item in the box, we have some items from Amika, and I have used Amika products in the past and I love them, so that's why I chose this one. This is Bond Repair Shampoo and Bond Repair Conditioner. Let's see what these smell like. Oh, they smell so good. Oh, I love it. So the value for this bundle for the shampoo and conditioner, it's a $40 value. So I will definitely be using these. I love to get shampoo and conditioner from FabFitFun. I doubt I would have ever spent $40 for these two, but I'm glad they were in the box. The website says that the shampoo and conditioner will repair damage and prevent future breakage with the shampoo and conditioner duo, which features plant butters and vegan proteins to strengthen your hair. All right, let's see what's next. All right, the next item. Ooh, this is from Coach. Comes in a cute pouch. This is a Coach necklace and earring set. They are super cute. It is rose gold in color. And I can definitely update these earrings. I've been wearing these forever. And the necklace actually says Coach on the bottom of it. The value of this is, wow. They say the value of this is $125. I think that's a little high. The next item. This is so soft. This is from Vera Bradley. I think it's a cosmetics bag. Look how pretty it is on the inside. This is the Vera Bradley Compact Organizer. Use this velvet pouch to neatly organize your necessities. This has a $50 value, and again, it's super soft. It's soft velvet. It does have the Vera Bradley tag here on the front. And again, the design on the inside is so pretty. I love this. And there's also a zip pocket on the side. I love it. This is perfect for me for traveling. I'm so glad I chose this one. The next item, this is from M.A.D Skincare, Maximum Active Dermaceuticals. And this is Glycolic Age Diffusing Cleanser. So let's check this one out. This is the M.A.D Skincare Glycolic Age Diffusing Cleanser. Has a value of $34. This is great for mature skin. This cleanser features a blend of glycolic acid and gently lifts away dirt and dead skin cells. So this is perfect. I can always use a new cleanser, and I definitely have mature skin. The next item, this is a kind of wild item. This is called After Dinner Food and Drink Trivia. It's just a little box of questions. It has a value of $25. It says, think you know food, put your food knowledge to the test after dinner with this fun trivia game. So I thought this might be fun at dinner. Ever since my kids were just teeny tiny, we always played the Mad, Sad, Glad game at dinner, where you say something that made you mad, sad, and glad. And after all these years, it's still a hit. But maybe we can finally kick it up a notch with some trivia. Let's just see what one of these is like. Oh, okay. All right, the first one. What has more calories? 2 pounds of grapes or 2 pounds of strawberries? I'll let you think on that one. If you said grapes, you are correct. 2 pounds of grapes has 600 calories versus 2 pounds of strawberries has 300. I didn't know that. I learned something today. This was not my first choice. The one I wanted to order was already sold out. It was the Pedicure in a Box Duo in the pumpkin spice scent, but that one was no longer available by the time I went to do my choices. But I think this will be a lot of fun. For the last customization, there were several bundles to choose from. So all three of these were from the same customization bundle. These are the Guardian Angel Revitalizing Eye Gels, and I've gotten this from FabFitFun before. These are just the patches you put under your eyes, and they contain cucumber, rose extract, green tea, and hydrolonic acid. Let's see how many we've got. Oh, nice. So there's 4 packs of these eye gels. Love these. The next item, some Dr. Rogers Restore Lip Balm. This will be great to just throw in my purse. Can always use the lip balm. And the very last item in my fall box, this is a lunch pack. This is from the company Hip. Let me open this. Now, I actually bought this to take on hikes. So this is designed to eliminate single-use bags, and it feels like silicone. I'm not quite sure what this is made from. Let's put something in here. All right, let's put in, here's our lunch. Let's see how this works. Then we're going to roll it down and attach it. And here we have our lunch bag. I think this will be perfect to put in my hiking pack. It'll keep things safe, keep things separated, especially things that might spill. So this is perfect for me. This is one of my favorite items from the box. This came from the last customization 6, which most of these were bundles. I actually chose bundle 6D, and this has a $55 value between the bag, the lip balm, and the eye gels. That was everything in the fall 2021 FabFitFun box. I would love to see what you chose because there were so many different ways to customize this box. There are so many choices from each category. I'm gonna say, after going through everything and giving things a closer look, I'm most disappointed in this Coach jewelry simply because they put the $125 value on it, and it just clearly does not look like that value. I think my favorite items are going to be the shampoo and conditioner. I needed some more shampoo and conditioner, so it was perfect timing. And again, I love the brand Amika. So let me know what your favorite item is from your FabFitFun box, what your least favorite item is. As always, thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe.